Hi, this is Manish Sharma. So welcome to another lesson video. In this video, I will show you how to download OpenTrust data from NSE website, and I'll show you how to analyze as well, and I'll give you the trading filters as well. Before starting the video, we'll do just a small recap of the last video. In last video, we have learned OpenTrust concept. I hope all of you remember, and I hope all of you have done practice of that as well. Long build up, I hope all of you remember, increase in OpenTrust and increase in price. Short build up and increase in OpenTrust and decrease in price. Long unwinding, a decrease in OpenTrust and a decrease in price. Short covering, a decrease in OpenTrust and an increase in price. Long build up means long positions are getting formed. Short build up means short positions are getting formed. Long unwinding means long positions are getting square off. Short covering means short positions are getting square off. So the long unwinding and short covering are square off trades. Long build up and short build up are fresh entry trades. Okay, so let's understand this concept into real data analysis work. So now we will do the data collection work first. So we'll collect the data from NSE website in a fresh Excel file. Then we'll do the comparison work as well. So first step is collecting the data. Second step is comparing the data. And third step is analyzing the data. I hope you understood all three steps. So let's start collecting the data first. So I hope all of you remember when I was explaining the OpenTrust concept in the last video, I always compare the current OpenTrust with respect to the previous day OpenTrust. I hope you remember that. So let's say, for example, I'm making this video on 23rd November and a morning time, 6:30 time. So previous trading session was 20th November, which is a Friday. And one more previous trading session was 19th November, which was Thursday. So I'll download both the files. I collect the data from that file, compare the data to find out the trades for 23rd November, Monday morning. Okay. So right now market has not started. To find out the trade, we need last 2 days OpenTrust data and comparison and analyze of that data to find the trade for next day. So now we will download first 19th November data, and then we will download 20th November data, and we'll compare that data to find out the trade for 23rd November. So let's start. So you have to open NSE website, click on market data and click on daily market reports. Click on this. This page will appear. Click on derivatives. This screen will appear. Click on archives. You have to click on this. This screen will appear. Now understand, you have to select your date. So I want to download 19th November file. So click 19th November here. And which file we want to download? Bhav copy file. Bhav copy file is a rate file. Bhav means rate. So closing price is file. So we want a list of the stocks with a closing price. That is called a Bhav copy file. So you have to type here Bhav copy. So when you type here Bhav copy, you will see these two options, zip file and CSV file. Click on CSV file, download arrow. When you click on download arrow, you can see here 19th November Bhav copy file is downloaded. Click on this, 19th November Bhav copy file is downloaded. Open the Excel in this. So after opening the WinZip file, you will come into this Excel. Now we'll do the filtration works and data collection works. So please watch video very much carefully. We'll make the offline sheet step by step. So top row you have to select, click on data and click on filter here. When you do this, small boxes will appear on every column. Just select this entire data and just double click here. So the data will get automatically expand. In A column, the small box you have to tick. Open this window. Select all unticked. Future index, future stock. These two options you have to select. Then press OK. And you don't have to do anything in B column. Now come to C column, small box, select all unticked, 2020 and select November. Why we are selecting November? Because we are trading in a November series. Okay, 23rd November. So click on November, select here and press OK. After doing this, just cross check your file. This is 19th November, last column. Why it will show 19th November? Because this is a 19th November data we have downloaded. This will show 26th November. Why? Because this is the expiry date of November month. So I hope you remember 26th November is the expiry day every last Thursday of the month. And A column will show you future index and future stock. So just cross check your data and now you have to select the second row. Second row you have to select. Now press shift plus control plus down arrow. Again I'm repeating, shift plus control plus down arrow. Entire data will get select. Press Control C, Control N, N for Nagpur. New file will get open. On second row, Control V, paste. So the data will get copy pasted from that file to this file. Why we have done this? Because we don't want the unfiltered data. We have done a filtration and we want only filtered data. I hope you understood. Now this data do not have heading row. So again go back to the previous file. Copy the heading row, Control C copy, come to this file and paste here. So now you have collected 19 November data. So just rename here 1911-2020. This is not a code number, this is the date, 19 November 2020. Just expand all the columns. So now you are able to see the data. After copy pasting, the most important thing in Excel you have to do is save the file. So save this file, Control S save. Save it on your desktop. Give file name offline sheet 19 November. So you will understand this is an offline data file, right? Why offline? Because we are downloading at the end of the day. That is the reason why it is called offline data. So save this file. Now you have collected 19 November data and you have saved the file. So now you don't need this file, 19 November bhav copy file, okay, which we downloaded from NSE website. So close this file, don't save, and close this WinZip as well. Now offline sheet is open and NSE website is open, right? Now understand, we have downloaded 19 November data. Now we have to download 20th November data, exactly same steps. So let's download 20th November data now. You have to select your 20th November date. Just select your 20th November date. Click on this down arrow. And now you are able to see 20th November file is downloaded. Click on this, open this file. Open this Excel sheet. And now you are able to see this is 20th November bhav copy file. Okay. Same steps we will follow. So it means top row you have to select. Click on data, click on filter. Just expand the columns. Select all untick. Future index, future stock, then press OK. C column, select all untick, 2020 and November you have to take, press OK. Just cross check your data, 20th November, why? Because this is a 20th November file. So last column will show you 20th November. C column will show you 26th November because this is the expiry date. A column will show you future index and future stock. From second row you have to select the data. Shift plus control plus down arrow. The entire data will get selected. Control C copy here. Come into your offline sheet file. Add a new sheet here. Second sheet. And on second row you have to Control V paste. Both the file data are in the same Excel offline sheet. Now heading row is missing. Okay. So you can copy paste the same heading from 19 November file only. So click here. Control C copy. And paste here and just expand the column so you'll be able to see the clearly data. Control S save. Give file name here 2011-2020 20th November and Control S save. So the collection of data work is done. Now we will do the comparison of data. So just close bhav copy file and website and make sure you open only offline sheet. So I'm closing this file, bhav copy file. I'm closing this WinZip file and I'm closing NSE website as well. Add here one more sheet. Give a short name, calculator sheet, or you can give a comparison name as well. Any name you can give as per your understanding, but this is your comparison sheet. Okay. Now you have to just copy paste the columns. So symbol column, first column, Control C copy from 19 November sheet, symbol column, B column, you have to see Control C copy. You have to Control C copy and paste here in calculator sheet, A column. So we have copy pasted the symbol column. Again go back to 19 November sheet, I column, I for India, close column, Control C copy, paste in B column. Now come in 20th November sheet, I column, Control C copy and paste in C column. And you can give a heading like this, 19th 11 close, 20th 11 close. So you will understand which date closing price is this, and you can play colors as well. So you can add some colors and make it look like a attractive or a decorative. and increase the font size so you are able to see the properly data. D column you have to leave blank as of now. Again go back to 19th November file. Copy paste M column, open trust column, M for Mumbai column. In calculator sheet, E column you have to copy paste. 20th M column, open trust column, Control C copy and paste in F column. So we have copy pasted the open trust data as well of both the sheet in a simple columns, E column and F column. So you have to give the column headings like this: percentage change in price, percentage change in open trust, 1911 Y means open trust, 20th 11 Y means again open trust, percentage change in open trust. Now we will plot a simple formula here. So how many of you have a fear of Excel formulas? If you have a fear, don't worry. I will write down a small formula here, a very small formula. So first I will write down, then you have to write down in your offline sheet. Okay. So we'll write down the formula, a simple formula. Equal to bracket open C2 minus B2 bracket close divided by B2 percentage. So it will show the comparison of the current closing price with respect to the previous closing price. So you are able to see price are close positive. That is the reason why it is showing 1.15 percentage. It is in terms of percentage. You just click on home and you can see a decreased decimal, reduced decimal. Okay. You can see a decreased decimal. Click on this and reduce it to 2 decimal. Okay. So now you are able to see 1.15 2 decimal. Control S save. You don't have to do drag and everything. I'll show you the shortcut for that. Don't worry. Can you see my cursor color? What is the cursor color here? Color is white color, right? When I put my cursor here, now the cursor color becomes black. When the cursor color becomes black, you have to just double click. That's it. Just double click. The entire data will get automatically dragged till the lower cell numbers. Okay. And now you have to just 1.15 here. Just copy this and paste here. So it will automatically catch the formula. That is the reason why it is called Microsoft Excel. Now again, you have to do the smart work. Cursor color is white. Take your cursor here. Double click. That's it. Cursor color becomes black and the formula will get dragged automatically. And now you have to just select the top row. Click on data. Click on filter. And finally your file is ready. You have to download this file every day. You have to make this offline sheet every day to find out the trade for next day. So let's say, for example, I want to find out the trades for 24th November now. 23rd November bhav copy file I will download and 20th November bhav copy file I will download. In between there is a Saturday, Sunday. 23rd and 20th November I will compare to find out the trade for 24th November. Similarly, let's say you want to find out trade for 25th November, then you will download 24th November bhav copy file, 23rd November bhav copy file, and you will compare the data to get the trade for next day, 25th November. Bhav copy file is available on NEC website every day after 5:30 p.m. So after 5:30 you can make this offline sheet and you can find out the trades for next day. Now understand how to find out the trade from this file. So let's start. So let's understand. You have to see the maximum open trust build up in a particular stock. Okay. So last column, change in open trust. Click here and select largest to smallest option. You have to click on the small box. Click on largest to smallest. Now you are able to see some open trust, maximum open trust, right? ICICI, GI, Indigo, Coforge, Gale, Ramco Cement. Okay. Now understand. We want to follow big players. We don't want to follow small players. Okay. So our trading filter has to be higher, bigger. Okay. In terms of number. So more number of open trust, more the positions got built in that, and bigger move you can expect. So now understand the trading filters. So stocks will have a different trading filters and an index will have a different trading filters. Now understand, long build up filter for a stock is minimum open trust has to be 10% plus and minimum price 2% plus. At least, this is at least. If the stock is having the open trust 9% or prices are below 2%, you will not take trade in that. Okay, so this is at least parameter. Short build up plus 10 and minus 2 long unwinding -10 and -2, short covering -10 and +2. For index, the filters are different. Why for index the filters are different? Because index never move 2% in a day. Okay. So for index, the filters are different. 7 and 1, 7% open trust plus, price 1% plus. So you can say long build up happening in Nifty and you can create a long positions in that. Okay. Short build up filter is +7 -1, long unwinding -7 -1, short covering -7 +1. These are your trading filters. Please take a print screenshot of this. This is most important to take the trades. So please read this. Now we will find out the trades as per these parameters. Okay. So this is our offline sheet. We already done largest to smallest here. Select this and give a blue color. Why blue color? Because this is your long build up filter. Plus 10% open trust, yes, more than 10%, price are more than 2%. This stock is in your long build up filter. That is the reason why we have given a color. Any stock is in your filter? No. So from this file for 20th November for Monday, we got only one trade, ICICI GI, a buy trade, a long trade. Okay. So now understand the double confirmation system. This data is telling you to buy ICICI GI. Now you have to cross verify your trade with the charts as well. So now understand, if the data is telling you long build up and the stock prices are at support, the stock prices are at support level. Okay. So you will go long. Why? Because chart is also telling you prices will go up and data is also telling you long build up is happening. So here you must have some knowledge of technical analysis. If you don't know technical analysis, don't worry. You can join our technical analysis program as well. And you can learn in that what is support resistance, what is candlesticks, what is indicators and everything. You will learn in depth in our technical analysis program. You can go for that. So here you must have some technical analysis knowledge to verify your trade. So data is telling you long build up and prices are at support, you will buy. Data is telling you long build up, but prices have broken the support, you will not buy. I hope you are understanding. So stock has broken the support, chances of falling are high. So you will not buy. Why? Because data and chart both are not matching. I hope you understood how to verify your trade with charts. So you have to see the data and you have to see the chart. And if both are matching, then only you will take the trade. Another example, data is telling you long build up and stock has given a fresh 52-week breakout, resistance breakout. So obviously you will buy. Why? Because chart is also telling you prices will go up. Data is also telling you prices will go up. So chart and data both are matching, then you will go long. I hope you understood how to verify your trade with the charts as well. So after making this file, whatever trades you get as per these trading filters, you have to verify your trade with the charts. And if charts is also telling you the same thing as per the data, then you can take the trades. So in this video, we have covered offline open trust data. That is the reason why the file name is offline sheet. In the next video, I will teach you live open trust data. So same thing, same data, but the data will be live in the market after every 3 to 4 seconds. So in the next video, we will learn live sheet. So see you in the next video.